Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here to show you guys how to create a business card in Canva and upload it on Zazzle. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So as you go into Canva, you can type in business card and it'll pop right up for you. So you can go through the different variations of business cards and just find one that you like. I'm just gonna choose a simple one with a picture, and I'm gonna choose this one right here. I am going to open it up and work my magic, change the colors to my business colors, add in my name. I may or may not change the font, but if I do, you guys will see that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change it, add my picture, change the color, and add in things. And then you'll also see me in here create the back cover as well with my branding as well, and then you'll see how I will save it in the extractor file. So now you're going to go ahead and see me download it as a PNG. And then I am going to open it to extract the file so it's easier when it's time for me to upload it onto Zazzle. And that's what you're seeing me do right now. Alright, here I am on Zazzle. I've actually added the design to my saved designs already because I was going to do another tutorial, but I realized that that tutorial did not show you how to actually create the business card on Zazzle and, you know, upload it to order or sell it. I'm not going to show you how to go ahead and sell it, but I am going to show you how to create a custom product. So I clicked that box, but you didn't have to. So you just click create custom product, scroll down to business cards. And because I already uploaded my business cards into Zazzle, I won't have to do a lot. So here you are going to go ahead and scroll down to create your own. And then you'll actually see like the business card size, which is a standard. I'm going to click on that. And then I am going to hit add image. So it actually tells you the different sizes as well. They have round corners as well, but I'm just going to do a standard corner with the standard size, and I'm not going to change anything. So I'm going to go ahead and click add image so I can go ahead and add my image onto this business card. I'm going to go to upload images, but mine's are already there. But if you don't have your images there, this is where you would upload it. So I just wanted to show you that. So I'm going to click on the front cover, paste it there, pull it out some, and then you're going to go over to this left corner to layers, and you're going to click on that so you can see the back cover. But this is just to pull it out a little bit more and get your stuff that you need. Over here, I'm going to go down to layers, go to the back layer, And then I'm going to add the image there on the black layer for the back of my card. And I'm going to go to my files and hit the back side. Then I'm going to stretch it out as well. And then that's what you'll see me do. I'm actually going to also hit the preview of it so you guys can see what it looks like in all of the angles. And after that, I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to take you through the shopping cart where you can get your, I think it's 100 business cards for $25. Sometimes Zazzle has coupons, but just depends when you're checking out. But you know, just take a look at it, see if you like it, hit done. Again, you can always change the size of this. You can always change the round corners in the paper, but I don't want to. You can also sell it if you have a store on Zazzle and you want to sell this design. You can sell it, but you would need to make it edible for people to be able to edit it. Put it in your cart and check out. Hope you enjoy this video. Love you more.